All right, let's take a look at Cronos and see, what's really happening with Crow tokens priced right now. I'm going to give you guys obviously price analysis, share my thoughts with you guys. Appreciate all the love as always. But yeah, looking across the board, obviously we're seeing quite a bit of retracement going into the last day of the month of October. Happy Halloween, by the way. If you're looking across the board, like I said, a lot of coins down, but Chronos, it is down, but it's not being impacted as much as some of these coins is down only about 0.8% as we could see for ourselves. So it kind of makes me wonder, that wick that we did see just a few days back, is that telling us something a little bit more important? Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So Cronos price 14.6 cents right now, down about 1% on the USD side of things, but both in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative, we are in green. A big plus point, of course, on that side. The valuation $5.3 billion in the 24-hour trading volume at 24 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. And I think I said that 2 times, but it is better than one. It is very important to do your due diligence. But take a look at Cronos Chain's post today. So Cronos EVM upgrade complete. Smart churn is here. So this mainnet upgrade marks a major leap in Chrono's evolution, unlocking smart contract. I'm sorry, what did I say? Contracts, smart accounts, new EVM features, and improved performance for developers and users alike. So they continue to enhance the overall wallet experience. And of course, the EVM side of things, compatibility with Ethereum, making it more compatible and pretty much just making everything more faster. So again, I like this, and this is something that kind of makes me wonder, was that major wick that we did see a few days back according to this? But again, if you're looking at the dominance, again, dominance has been all over the place. I have indicated, something similar on the most recent updates, but you can see for yourself. I'll just give you guys a little bit of a rundown as to what's happening. You can see, we were sitting at about 59.47% literally just yesterday. We saw a major uptick. And again, this is the reason why you're seeing a lot of red across the board. And of course, Bitcoin also losing the 23.6 Fibonacci support line is a key component behind the retracement that we're seeing across the crypto space. You can see for yourself as of now, bulls and the bears are having a battle, and obviously the bulls want to keep the price of Bitcoin back in the 23.6 and close the price of Bitcoin in the 23.6 as far as the monthly candle close is concerned. If you're looking at the price of Bitcoin, though, again, you can see for yourself, we did see the price lose the support in the 23.6, came down to 106, but right now we are seeing the price wanting to get back into 23.6. So still a lot of time left, before the monthly daily candle close happens. Again, for bare minimum, we need to be obviously in the 23.6 for that, but looks like the month of October is going to close on the red for Bitcoin. And pretty much for the first time in 7 years. So again, that is quite interesting to kind of take away as well. But take a look at Chronos price, what's really happening right now. So as I stated to you guys before, in both Bitcoin and Ethereum, comparative Chronos is not looking bad. You could see for yourself, we did see, this is the wick, by the way, I'm referring to, that we saw at 16.8 cents. But again, if you want to put this into perspective, since then the price did retrace down about 17.3%. But you could see for yourself, we did see the price dropping below the 14.2 cents a few hours back. Again, shouldn't really be a big surprise to any one of us when we obviously take a look at Bitcoin. That kind of sums everything up. We did see the price go down to 13.9 cents, but it was short-lived. You could see, we did see the price bounce back up 5.5 cents. So, for Chronos, it doesn't look like, the price is going to get into the 78.6 for the month of October. Obviously, due to this market shakeout once again that we did see. But the fact that we are remaining above this key support line, that's what you want to see for now for the price of Chronos to close the monthly candle above. I know, people are starting to, look more at the closer time frame. What, the year is almost over. We haven't really seen any excitement. But again, I'm still, very optimistic for the remainder of the year. Yes, we saw a major liquidation, things that are not in our control. That's part of the risk. and that's where your due diligence and research comes into play. But I'm still optimistic on the remainder of the year. A lot can still end up happening. So as of now, the price is still holding above this key range, especially when you're looking at it from a market wide standpoint. You're seeing a lot of retracement for a lot of coins, but Cronos still holding above this key support line. That's a big positive key takeaway as of now. You guys know I don't focus on higher time frames for no reason. There's no point in talking about the higher time frames. I don't know what just happened. Let's actually kind of get rid of this. Yeah, so there's no point in talking about, oh, well, the price is going to be at 60 cents, a dollar. No, no point. We got to be taking baby steps, getting to some key levels before we start, talking about some of the other levels. But shout out to you guys. Thanks for all your support. Let me know your personal thoughts as to what you guys think. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX and peace.